Kaynatıyor şu anda. What we do first, we will weld this one and then we move that one to here, and we do continuous welding process.